good family support system. The researchers and the experts have all agreed that the family is the first agent of socialization. And what is socialization? Socialization is the process by which an individual learns the accepted ways of behavior. So, it is safe to say that the family is the institution where a child should learn the moral principles. The time has come for us as law enforcement officers to go out in the community, socialize with different persons and families, because our work doesn't stop within the guardroom. The time has come for Jamaica to see us as police officers, not only as police officers, but also as friends. The time has come for Jamaica to see criminal elements as a threat to society and not a source of protection. Jamaica, the time has come for our limited human and physical resources rather, to be utilized in a systematic way in our crime fighting effort. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. Thank you.